Back when we swore we'd last, I didn't see the end. Now silence writes the script. You're more myth than a friend. I see you when I dream, still young and full of fight. You say we'll never break, but dawn just proves you lied. What's left of you and me just sits in static dust. You're not a wound that heals, you're rusting in my trust. That time would gut us clean like this. You laughed and lit the dark. Now I talk to the abyss. You out there chasing dreams, you still lost in that cloud. I ain't got much to show, just scars I sing out loud. If I'm a ghost to you, then leave me in that place. I'm a flower without the sun, a voice that's been replaced. Yeah, I bleed a little more when I remember your name. It don't kill, but it stays. Drives me insane. I don't believe in fate, but I still hope you call. Not for love, just to say you felt it to that fall.